Swaddling baby help her to stay warm and feel cozy like she is still in mother's womb. It helps her to calm down and sleep better. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all the different ways to swaddle your newborn. So stay tuned. Hi moms and cuddly babies, welcome to iCare Baby. Myself is Asif. I make videos related to parenting, pregnancy and baby care. If you are new to my channel, then definitely click subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll get notified when you upload new videos. Help iCare Baby to reach out to 50,000 subscribers. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Instagram. There are different ways to swaddle your newborn. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the traditional way as well as the modern way. So let's have a look. Make a triangle shape of the swaddle and place your baby on the swaddle. Take the right side of the swaddle and tuck it on the baby's left side. Bottom one place over baby, or you can tuck it on top. Then take the left side of the swaddle and tuck it on baby's right side. While doing this, gently lift your baby and that's it, you're done. This is the easy way of swaddling your baby. Place swaddle on the bed in a diamond shape and then take one corner of the swaddle to make a triangle. Lift your baby and place it on top. Take the left side of the swaddle to tuck it under baby's right side. Take the right side of the swaddle to tuck it under baby's left side, like a crisscross. And then take the bottom part of the swaddle on the top of baby and tuck it under baby's back from both sides. This is a moderate way of swaddling. This way of swaddling is also called as parent trap. Now let's have a look at the third way of traditional swaddling. Place swaddle on the bed in a diamond shape and then take one corner of the swaddle to make a triangle. Lift your baby gently and place it on top. Hold baby's both hands on front side. Take the left side of the swaddle and place it on the top of the baby. Then take the bottom part of the swaddle and place it on the top of the baby's right shoulder and then tuck it under. Then take the right side of the swaddle, place it over baby's right shoulder and take the remaining part, tuck it under baby's back. This is a little difficult way of swaddling baby. So these are the three traditional ways of swaddling the baby. Now let's have a look at modern ways. I'm using Swaddle Me Swaddle Wrap. It's pretty easy than the traditional swaddle wrap. Open swaddle wrap, place baby on top. Place the baby's leg inside a sack. Place her left arm inside the wrap and tuck it under the right side. Place your right arm inside the wrap and close the wrap. It has Velcro on top, so you can adjust accordingly. I'm using Hello Sleep Sack Swaddle. It has buttons on the shoulder and front side. You can use it in three different ways: arms in, hands to face, one or two arms out. So in order to use this sleep sack, open the sleep sack and place it on the bed. Place the baby on the top of wrap. Place baby's legs inside the sack. Close the buttons of the sack. Some sleep sack also comes with a zipper. Close the button on the shoulder. Place the baby's left arm inside the sack and tuck the left side of the wrap on baby's right side. Take the right side of the wrap and tuck it under baby's left side. Whether it is a traditional way or modern way, baby always feels cozy in airy swaddle wrap.
Make sure while swaddling your baby it's not too tight or not too loose. The best way to check is just simply put your 2 fingers inside the baby's swaddle and make sure that there is a room to breathe. Once your baby is 1 month old, then swaddle your baby only when she is taking nap. Make sure the swaddle is 100% cotton or muslin fabric. Swaddling your baby reduces the risk of SIDS, that is sudden infant death syndrome. Let me know which swaddling method you prefer for your baby. You just share your vote by simply clicking on the I sign here. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload new videos. Till then, ciao!